Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Vimeo Create for captions, titles, and end screens, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Vimeo Create. Log into your Vimeo account if you haven't already. Once you're in Vimeo Create, click on the Create New Video button. Select a template that suits your video style. Upload your video files or choose from Vimeo's stock footage. Once the video is in the editor, locate the text tools on the left side of the screen. To add captions, click on the text option. Choose the caption style you prefer from the available templates. Drag and drop the selected caption style onto your timeline. Double-click on the caption box to edit the text. Type in your captions, ensuring they match the spoken content in your video. Adjust the timing of the captions by dragging the ends of the caption layer in the timeline. For titles, go back to the text option. Select a title template that suits your video's theme. Drag the title template to the beginning of your video timeline. Double-click on the title box to customize the text. Adjust the font style, size, and color to fit your branding. Now let's move on to the end screens. Scroll to the end of your video timeline. Click on the Elements tab in the left sidebar. Drag an end screen template onto the timeline. Customize this end screen with elements like video links and call to action text. Double-click on any text boxes on the end screen to edit the text. Make sure to adjust the layout and style to ensure it matches the rest of your video. Preview your video by clicking the play button to ensure everything flows smoothly. Once satisfied, click on Save. Finally, export your video by hitting the Download button. Congratulations, you have now configured captions, titles, and end screens in Vimeo Create. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.